Hello, and today we're gonna make another duck. You can look how to draw a duck in my previous video. So today we're gonna make a business duck. For that we'll be making a black line somewhere in the middle of the body near, more closer to the head. After that we can make a triangle somewhere at the middle of that line, which will be good. After that we're making a small circle on the top of that triangle inside. And after that, making some kind of a line to the bottom, which is gonna be a bit of thicker than this one. Yeah, like that one. After that, we're bringing something darker of a duck skin, which we got there, and filling it the body and the wing, so it's like a costume. After that, we're making a bit of lighter that skin and putting it there. And now we got a very good costume for our duck. Very cool. To make it even more serious, we can make sunglasses, which I already showed in a previous video, but you can just copy the thing I did here. And we getting a super cool duck. Very cool. If you want more tutorials about how to draw a duck, then subscribe on my channel. Trust me, it's worth it. It was DuckMan. Have a good day.